Hello everyone. Yes, welcome today the first day in July, and it's the first Friday of the month. So we have a speed test. Yes, it's today. Friday, July the 1st, 2022. We have here two regular puzzles, Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. Those two puzzles I will do at speed test. And we have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. Yes, 7 extra puzzles. Those are letter Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, 3 stars, and a 4-star Sudoku. Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star, and 1 binary. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve. 4 puzzles. But first, we will solve these two regular puzzles. Yes. Speed test. Number. This will be number 4782. 4782. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 36 printed digits. Each big square, we have 9 big squares, has 4 printed digits. So 9 times 4, 36. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, Sudokus in additional should be easier than the 1 star. For the 1 star should be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's a speed test, so I won't talk a lot. So almost 2 minutes passed. So let's get started. 1 on 1, 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, 2. Let's see, 2 2 2. No. 3 then. 3 3 3 3 3 3. No. 4. Yeah, 4 4 4. 4 4. Well, 4 should be here. Should the 4 there. 5. 5 5 6 then. 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 7 then. 7 7 should be here. 7 7 here. Need a 7 there. 7 8 then. 8. Ooh. 8 8 8. Come on. 8 8 8 and 5 8. This should be the 8 8 8 and 2 2 2. How about 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and a 9. 7 1 2 3 4 6 then. Here should be the come on 2. Yeah, 2 is missing. 2 2 2. No. Ooh. This should be a 3. Yeah. Almost mistake. Made a mistake. Here should be the 9. Here should be the 3, 1, and the 9. Here. 1, 2, 3, and 3 and 8. Wow. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 7. 4 and the 3 and the 9. Finished in 5 minutes. -2. Wow. Okay, could be faster, but I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other puzzle, Sudoku Heavy. I will do also a speed test. Let me check before I leave if this is correct. 1, 2, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, correct. Alright, see you in a minute with the Sudoku Heavy. Until then, bye bye for now.